Hi friends, this video shows how to optimize screen size. So first we have to go to settings, set settings icon from top, go down, set display and audio settings, set optimize screen size. See the message. So we have to press and hold uh, your remote key until you no longer see the gray area above this black box. So right now you can see some gray area around this black box. So we have to press and hold uh, up button. See, now we can see now gray area on the top side is not visible. So we have to press and hold that. Done. So now top side is okay. Let me do the bottom side. Done. Then do the right side. Done. Then do the same on left side. Done. Then tap on finish. So then select apply. Done. So this way we can optimize screen size. So you can try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.